Money doesn't buy happiness has to be the worst quote ever created because it literally does. And it's always rich people saying it. They'll be like, my life was actually way better when I was poor. Oh yeah? Then give me your money! Like if you miss being poor, then just give away your money. It's not hard to do. But I just know someone will be like, actually, I agree with that quote because the stuff in life that really makes you happy is things that you can't buy, like family and love. And to those people, I say, do you know what the only thing my parents argue about is? Money! You can't be happy with your family if you can't feed them. How are you gonna spend time with the people that make you happy if you can't because you're spending all your time working to make money? Have you ever heard of anyone not being happy while on a yacht? No? Me neither, because being on a yacht is awesome. Even if it was possible to be sad on a yacht, I would much rather be sad there than in a 1-bedroom apartment with no air conditioning. So if any rich people out there wanna prove to me that money doesn't buy happiness, let me know.